Now in our soil mechanics, today we are going to see our next topic, Caisson. Now before we going to see our next topic, in a previous video we showed that basic of foundation, our 7th chapter, very most important chapter, what is foundation or what is some basics of foundation. So it is the lowest part of structure. Foundation is the lowest part of structure below the ground level, which is in direct contact with the ground and transmits all the loads to the ground. So majority of the structure fails due to failure of their foundation. Now purpose of foundation. So what are the purpose of the foundation? So it's to distribute the weight of the structure over a large area so as to bring down the intensity of load at its base below the shape bearing capacity of subsoil. क्या करेगा फाउंडेशन, जो स्ट्रक्चर का लार्ज एरिया है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेगा सॉइल के अंदर टू सपोर्ट द स्ट्रक्चर को सपोर्ट करेगा टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द नॉन यूनिफॉर्म लोड ऑफ द सुपर स्ट्रक्चर यूनिफॉर्मली टू द सब सॉइल to provide a level and hard surface of concreting and masonry work, to take the structure deep into the ground and increase its stability, preventing overturning, and to load the substratum evenly and thus prevent unequal settlement. So these are the purpose of the foundation. Now types of the foundation. So there are different type of foundation: shallow foundation and deep foundation. So for consideration, if D is less or equal to B, depth is less than or equal to breadth, so it is shallow foundation, and if D is greater than B, depth is greater than breadth, it is deep foundation. So there are different type of foundation. For shallow foundation, it is spread footing, combined footing, strap footing, rough foundation, grillage foundation, and deep foundation, pile foundation, caisson or a well foundation, cofferdam. Shallow foundation, if the depth of footing is less than or equal to width of the footing, it is called shallow foundation. D is less or equal to B. Deep foundation, if the depth of the footing is more than the width of footing, it is called deep foundation. D is greater than B. Then different type of foundation: shallow foundation and deep foundation. So there are some difference. If the depth of the footing is less than or equal to width of footing, it is called shallow foundation. D less or equal to B. If depth of footing is more than the width of footing, it is called deep foundation. Shallow foundation is provided when bearing capacity of soil is more and required bearing capacity is available at shallow depth. Deep foundation is provided when bearing capacity of soil is low or desired bearing capacity available at more depth. Shallow foundation is provided when load of the structure is less. Deep foundation is provided when load of the structure is more. Shallow foundation, it is suitable when timbering to the trenches is possible. Deep foundation is suitable where timbering to the trenches is costly or impossible. Shallow foundation is suitable when groundwater table is low. Deep foundation is suitable when groundwater table is high. Shallow foundation, it is suitable when top layer of soil are uniform and stable. Deep foundation is suitable when top layer of soil is non-uniform and unstable. Shallow foundation is suitable when dewatering of foundation is required. Deep foundation is suitable when dewatering of foundation trenches is costly and difficult. Shallow foundation are spread footing, combined footing, strap footing, rough foundation and grillage foundation. Type of deep foundation are pile foundation, caisson or well foundation, and cofferdam. Now types of shallow foundation. So this is the most common type of foundation and can be laid using an excavation. There are different type of foundation we saw. Then now next is caisson. What is caisson? So the term कैसन इज डिराइव फ्रॉम द फ्रेंच वर्ड कैसी मीनिंग अ बॉक्स. कैसन वर्ड कहाँ से आया? इट इज़ फ्रेंच वर्ड कैसी. मीनिंग ऑफ कैसी इज बॉक्स. It is a box-like structure, round or rectangular, which is sunk from the surface of either land or water to same desired depth. It is used for the purpose of placing a foundation in correct position under water. क्या है? कैसन इज अ वन ऑफ द बॉक्स स्ट्रक्चर. कैसा होगा? राउंड और रेक्टेंगुलर. उसको हम संक करेंगे फ्रॉम द सरफेस और आइडल लैंड वाटर टू सम डिजायर्ड डेप्थ. क्यों करेंगे? द पर्पज ऑफ प्लेसिंग अ फाउंडेशन इन करेक्ट पोजीशन अंडर वाटर. अंडर वाटर जो हम फाउंडेशन कास्ट करेंगे तो उसको प्रॉपर पोजीशन में रखने के लिए हम यूज़ करेंगे कैसन. So there are type of caisson. Different type of caisson are box caisson, open caisson. It is also known as well, and pneumatic caisson. So what is box caisson? Box caisson is open at top and close at bottom. It is box caisson. Open caisson open at top and bottom, or pneumatic caisson close at top and open at bottom. In open caisson there are different type of caisson: single open caisson, multiple open caisson, or cylindrical open caisson. Now box caisson. A box caisson is a strong watertight vessel open at top and close at bottom. Box caisson क्या है? watertight vessel है, top पे open and bottom में close. It is made of timber, reinforcement concrete और steel. कैसे बना है? timber से, reinforcement concrete and steel. This caisson is built on a land, then launched and floated to pier side where it is sunk in position. Such type of caisson is used under where bearing strength is available at shallow depth and where load are not very heavy. Now condition favorable for the construction of box caisson. कौन कौन सी condition favorable है construction for a box caisson? So excavation of preparing the bed of foundation is not required. The bed of foundation can be previously prepared foundation. The velocity of flow of water is slow as to give stability of the caisson against scour. The bed material is loose enough and it is possible to drag out this material and form a travel bearing surface. The depth of water is about 6 to 8 meters. Now open caisson or a well. An open caisson is a box of timber, reinforced concrete, steel or masonry which is open at top and at bottom. It is used for building and bridge foundation. Open caisson are also called well caisson. ठीक है, कहाँ पे यूजफुल होगा? यूज फॉर बिल्डिंग एंड ब्रिज फाउंडेशन. They are used on a sandy or a soft bearing stratum liable to scour and where to firm. Bed is available for a large depth below the surface. They form a most common type of deep foundation for a bridges in India. Now shape of a well. The common type of well shape are single, circular, rectangular, twin circle, down well, double D, twin hexagonal, twin octagonal. ठीक है. Shape of the well: single circular. First is a single circular, then second is rectangular, twin circular, down well, double D, twin hexagonal and twin octagonal. The choice of a particular shape depends upon following factor: the dimension of base of the pier or abutment, the age of sinking, the cost of sinking and shuttering, the vertical and horizontal forces acting on the well, the consideration of tilt and shift during sinking. In case of short span bridges up to about 18 meter, the best shape for foundation Well is the single circular up to 6 meter diameter or octagonal. The minimum size of circular well should be 1.5 meter. The maximum size of the single well should be limited to 9 meter for a concrete steering and for 6 meter for a brick masonry steering. Now well component and their functions. So the main component well foundation are cutting edge, second curb, staining, bottom plug, top plug, well cap and sand filling. So there are different type of component for a well component. So first is a well cap. Figure is given. Section of a well foundation here. Section of well foundation. Section is given. First is cutting edge. This is the cutting edge. It provide completely sharp edge. उसका एजिस क्या होगा? शार्प. टू कट द सॉइल बिलो द ड्यूरिंग सिंकिंग ऑपरेशन. ठीक है, सॉइल के अंडर बॉटम में जाएगा, एट द टाइम सॉइल कट करेगा. सो इट इज, सो दैट्स वाई इट इज शार्प एजिस. इट यूजुअली कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ माइल्ड स्टील इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ साइड 150 mm. जो कटिंग एज होगा वो किससे बना होगा? इट इज अ माइल्ड स्टील. एंगल कितना होगा? साइड ऑफ 150 mm. Curb, it has two fold purpose. Here curb is given. It has two fold purpose. During sinking it act an extension of cutting edge and also provide support to the well, staining and bottom plug while the sinking is transferred to the load to the soil below. It made of RCC of grade M20. curb कैसे बना होगा? It is reinforced cement concrete M20 grade. ठीक है. ड्यूरिंग सिंकिंग ये क्या करेगा? एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द कटिंग एज. कटिंग एज को एक्सटेंड करेगा एंड ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट टू द वेल स्टैंडिंग. वेल स्टैंडिंग को सपोर्ट करेगा. एंड बॉटम प्लग वाइल आफ्टर सिंकिंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज स्टेनिंग. कटिंग एज, कर्ब एंड स्टेनिंग. इट इज द मेन बॉडी ऑफ द वेल. इट ऑल्सो सर्व एज टू पर्पज. इट एक्ट एज अ cofferdam during sinking and structural member to transfer the load to the soil below the afterward. The staining may consist of a brick masonry or reinforced concrete. Thickness of staining should not be less than 45 cm. Bottom. So the bottom plug of concrete has to be designed for an upward load equal to the soil pressure minus self weight of bottom plug and sand filling. Top plug, it serves as an shuttering for a buying well cap. Now what is well cap? It transfers the load from pier to the well below, and sand filling it transfer a portion of a load from well cap to the bottom plug. So these are the component of the well. So cutting edge, curb, staining, bottom plug, top plug, well cap and sand filling. So it is most important here is caisson. So first of all, what is caisson? तो कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? इट इज, caisson is derived from the French word caisse meaning box. It is a box like structure, round or rectangular, which is sunk from the surface of either land or water to some desired depth. It is used for the purpose of placing a foundation in correct position under water. So type of caisson: box caisson, open caisson, pneumatic caisson. What is box caisson? Open at top and close at bottom. Open caisson or well, open at top and bottom, and pneumatic caisson, close at top and bottom and open at bottom. Box caisson, a box caisson is a strong watertight vessel, open at top and close at bottom. It is made of timber, reinforced concrete or a steel. This caisson is built on land, then launched and floated to pier side where it is sunk in position. Such type of caisson is used where bearing stator is available at shallow depth and where load are not very heavy. Open caisson is a box of timber, reinforced concrete, steel or masonry. which is open at top and at bottom. It is used for building and bridge foundation. Open caisson are also called well foundation. They are used on a sandy or a soft bearing stratum liable to scour, and where the foam bed is available for a large depth below the surface, and they form the most common type of deep foundation for bridges in India. Shape of the well: single, circular, rectangular, twin circular, dumb well, double D, twin hexagonal and twin octagonal. These are the shape of the well.